say take my hand, follow me, I'm out hard.
Where are you going? Oh. Drop off, take off.
All right, so day 2. How are you feeling on day 2, Ari?
My whole body's getting all that car and
My knees hurt. My feet hurt. I'm hungry.
It's always been famous for having 60 kiosks. Now, Luquillo is the town that we're in right now, and this will be Luquillo Beach, that's the Atlantic Ocean. Usually I don't come the way around, but we're in Puerto Rico. So, why not? Why not do the drive-by so you guys can also see the beach? It's absolutely beautiful. This is not going to be our stop on the way back. We will be stopping in another amazing Puerto Rican restaurant. But if you have time, a lot of people, what they do, they rent a car, they come here because all of this is amazing food, either restaurants or quicker food. Now, Luquillo is the town that we're in right now, and this is the Luquillo Beach. It's the Atlantic Ocean. Usually I don't come the way around, so why not? Why not do the drive-by so you guys can also see the beach? It's absolutely beautiful. This is not going to be our stop on the way back. We will be stopping in another amazing Puerto Rican restaurant. But if you have time, a lot of people, what they do, they rent a car, they come here because all of this is amazing food, either restaurants or quicker food, and they just chill at the beach and enjoy have a beach day here. Absolutely beautiful. And you see, so you're 40 minutes outside of San Juan, and you get like San Juan beaches are 40 minutes outside of San Juan, and you get what? Like San Juan beaches are beautiful and amazing, but just a little outside and you get a little bit more culture, a little bit of a beautiful beach. No, and that water, even on cloudy days, is super clear. Crystal clear. It's very nice. So when you're in the water and you look
I definitely want a banana, some fresh bananas. Get me some watermelon in a cup, cause I know that shit refreshing. Yeah, it's some back here. Over there, they got watermelon. I think pineapple.
scared everybody. It was horrible. We're gonna find better ones. And on the top of it is going to be white. Now trees in general, when hurricanes come or just simply bad weather, the leaves on any trees, they're going to flip due to the winds. But this being white on top, when something is to come and they flip, a lot and a lot and a lot of rain. O sea, Puerto Rico is 70 to 75% mountain. A lot of mountain. And just here in the rainforest, it produces over more than 100,000 million gallons of water come out a year. I mean, it's a lot and a lot and a lot of water just coming from this part of the island. And also to put in another perspective.
We are here looking at sunset because we were gonna kayak, but we really just could not do it. Like, ain't nothing else about it. That shit was hard. 0 out of 10.
Getting back on no boat, no
Nothing. This is the closest we're getting right here. Oh, we get to watch sunset wherever the sun is. Oh, over there. It's gonna disappear in a minute for sure. Now, before I let y'all watch the end of this video, I just want y'all to know what was going on. We had walked 24 hours in the rainforest. We got back and these hoochies still want to go out. Mind you, it's like 12 something at night. So I'm like, no, I'm tired. I don't want to go, but y'all can go. But they just on my back about it. So when I finally agreed to go, y'all, got dressed and everything, they gonna say, oh, well, we can't go because it's closed. Baby, I was heated. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video.